Okay, so happening now, healthcare workers walk off the job at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center. The strike started about an hour ago, and right now we're taking a live look at the hospital. You can see those healthcare workers, the union workers. They say they're frustrated over what they call unfair labor practices, safety concerns, short staffing, and low wages as well. That sign right there says, "I could earn more." Now, the strike is expected to last until Friday evening. The union has been bargaining with hospital management since March 21st, but right now negotiations, those contract negotiations, have stalled. It's also important to note that Cedars-Sinai says this will not affect patient care because nurses and doctors are not a part of this union. But a lot of people out there live outside of Cedars-Sinai. The hospital also released a statement that reads in part, "We respect the rights of SEIU UHW members to take this step. The most effective way to reach a fair agreement, however, is for both parties to stay at the bargaining table and finish negotiations."